up in the sand. We were starving to beat off all the seeds that we planted. Somewhere back a couple of years in the attic, I almost ditched the plan to ship the work to the label back when the bars were bland. Man, on my word, though I follow through on prior engagement. The tip of my tongue not far from the innovation. Now it's mine for the taking. Tell the people mistaking me for somebody to toy with, the plug, the ox to play me. Time was paralyzed, I felt the strain to stretch my lungs. Confidence depleted right along with all the funds. Those days it was less about the bread that we obtained. No other way to slice it, I was scraping by on crumbs. But I loved the feeling, the odds against me. Could it tell me that I wouldn't get it? I wanted plenty, I was quick to defend me. Feeling surrounded by angels, demons on rare occasion. Trying to shake the momentum, soon as I find a cadence. Leave it all on the record, if it's my only reference. Shocked how the bars been electric, you could tell that they felt it. Pushing the weight of the world while they sound all the frail shit. Forcing the fame in my favor, kick back and watch the scale tip. More than just all in a day, spend time with the struggle, I know it too well. We gone separate ways. See, my biggest fear is to change. If I lose it, then reunite. Will I break the promise to stay the same?
Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. Cause things been feeling crazy lately. Feeling so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely. I don't wanna seem lonely. But I don't wanna be lonely, lonely.
Middle 2010s, stuck in a place secluded deep in my mind. I'm looking out through the lens. Was in a rush to become who I am. Looking back, then I realized that I do it again. All these unfamiliar faces fade from existence. Back with impeccable time and I've been forgiven, but I'm never forgetful. I kept it solid and simple, stuck to the rail. My word been a bind, yours artificial. You frequent with the slip-up. Used to love this shit more like this was all that I needed. Travel the edge of the world to mix the pleasure with business. Took my time on it, won't benefit from overdue revision. Learned through they lackluster love is rooted deep in the evil. Won't tread water lightly, the waves intimidate them. Won't lend my hand much too often, I set the expectation. Now I navigated dolo, unclear on praises you gave. When there's the finest line between jealousy signs of your vibration. This one's for them calling me crazy, more for the ones that told them pay me no mind. Those were the words that shaped me. Well rounded it would appear that I pieced it all together. Standing here puzzled at the way we built up the foundation. This one's for the brodies, I got us. Get 50-50, keep it some of 100. Make do what life has got us. Let go and wait and put faith in the process. Make the most of it. I'll be God as the time we allotted. Call it how I see it, provide our witness statement. The way things been gone, I'm all in on the table. They made the plan for their night, I made the long-term arrangement to take it up to a peak that we no longer afraid of. I just wanna be your everything. 'Cause that's who you are to me.
Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. 'Cause things been feeling crazy lately. Feeling so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely, lonely, lonely. But I don't wanna be lonely, no, no.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, or in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, or in my bag, yeah. They said, say 6 racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high,
Alright, good morning, good morning. How are you guys doing? Let me turn this song down. Alright, so looking at gold on the 15-minute here, we have bearish momentum, and we go to the daily time frame. We are still bullish overall, so we are going to do our markups. So daily, we have a daily resistance here, okay, and we have a daily support here. What is it? And we have one more here. I'm just gonna use that for our time frame. 4 hour, we do have a 4-hour demand here. Okay, and we've got a 4-hour support here. Got another 4-hour support right here. This resistance has been taken out and we're breaking below it here. That's the bearish momentum I was just talking about. And we have a 4-hour resistance here. Okay, 4-hour supply here. And we have a resistance here. Let's take a look at the H1 time frame. All right, so on the H1, we have this demand here. That's a 1-hour demand. And we actually got a 1-hour demand here. Uh, 1-hour supply here. We also have this up here. And we have this right here. Some of this one. Take a look at it. 30. 30 minutes. We have a demand sitting here. $30-minute supply. All right. Let's take a look at it. 15. Let's mark up this 15-minute demand here. All right, so now we wait. So this 15-minute supply here, the only 15, we actually wicked it. We might not retest it again. If gold is going to pull back, we could actually break above this, but I'm going to use it because even though this is actually not, it's not a valid supply because of how this bearish candle closed, and then we had two doji bearish candles after that. But the fact that this candle actually wicked it and then flipped bearish, we could actually retest it again. So I'm not really expecting it to hold, but I'm going to use it regardless. At the end of the day, the market makes the decision. So we'll have it on there. And now we just wait. So
Good morning, everyone.
good morning. So we're pretty much waiting for something like this, guys. We've been falling, right? And we're pretty much waiting for that pullback to take the continuation to the downside. That is what we are waiting for here. Hopefully we get some volume. London is open now. So we'll see what happens, guys. Patience, patience, patience. Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Bleep. Yes, I did. He said, aren't we rejecting the 1 hour demand? First of all, see this 1 hour demand? We came all the way down. We're inside this box. I do not like that. That's number one. Number two, we have a bearish momentum even on the lower time frame. I mean, even on the 1 hour time frame, we broke below this low. Therefore, I am looking for sales. Forget about this demand you have right here to the left. And it's not even a clean demand. So, this demand here, it's a no-no for me. I am anticipating sales here until we come down to the cleaner demand zones, which is this 30-minute, this 1 hour, and then the 15 or the 1 hour down below. So that is where I will be taking buys. Good morning, Janice. Good morning, Gideon. $23.53 to $23.54 is a strong level. $23.53, $23.54. I wouldn't call it a strong level, Janice. I wouldn't call it a strong level. I won't even be using that level as a supply, if not the fact that if not because of this bearish candle that flipped bearish. See the wick rejecting it, and then we have the bearish flip. That's the only reason why I'm using it, because supply is not really, it's not really a nice supply. Good morning, Jonathan. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama,
I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon. I've been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change.
Good morning, Hunter.
Money in the carry on them boy planes. Money in the carry on them boy planes. Now I got a buck for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if you won't take a lazy day. Wifey on me told me take a break. I keep going.
What's that? Wow, I don't know nothing about what you just talked about. Did I miss something?
Oh, you know how Edwin's been talking about how if we get stopped out, like he wants to take the opposite trade. Like, let's say we buy and then it stops us out. He wants to go short straight away because he thinks it's gonna give a certain percentage. Yeah, it 100% does not work during New York session because a good example is just like gold on Friday, right? If you did that, you would have gotten double clapped, right? But during London, like more than 50% of the time, I didn't calculate the numbers because I was just going over it briefly. But when it stops us out during London, it will like more than maybe like 60% of the time and above, it'll just continue to trend in that direction for the rest of London.
Oh, I see.
So London, it seems to do fake outs compared to New York, where it might just liquidity grab you and then do what you originally planned.
Yeah. Oh, just like Friday.
Yeah.
That's quite high. I'm surprised at that percentage.
Yeah, I was like, oh, there's something here. I'm like looking at it, I'm like, what the hell is with London? It stops you out and it keeps going and going. And it's like, damn.
Is that because London perhaps is just correcting the Asian move, maybe? So I don't know. That's I'm quite shocked by that. That's quite high.
Yeah.
Complete reversal. Well, cool to know.
You're in buys here, Jit. All right, good luck to you.
I know my psychology can take that sort of strategy though, just getting stopped out and then going the opposite way and just getting so stressed and getting smacked twice.
You have a 15-minute demand here. I'm guessing this is why Jit took the buys. But for me, I'd rather wait for the sells here. I'm not going to take buys right now. Since we have, so if we look at this, so this high created this low, right? And then we took out these lows. Now, before we took out these lows at 23.56, this low created this high. This high rejected the 4-hour resistance. In return, this high created this minor low here, and then this minor low created this high. This high created this low created this high, and then this high did what? Now came all the way down, breaking this low, and now looks like we'll be creating a new low here. Now, what I'm trying to say here is that this is the structure that we have. Momentum. This is what we have. We're creating lower low and lower highs. Now, what we're simply waiting for now is for price to create a new lower high. Now, where are we going to create a new lower high? We don't know yet. It could either be this 15-minute supply or this 30-minute supply or back to this 1-hour supply. Wherever it is, that's what we're waiting for to take the sell continuation for price to create a new low. Doing what? Breaking this low. So that is what I am waiting for here. We are bullish overall on the higher time frame, and on the 15-minute time frame here, the overall structure is still bearish until we break and close above this daily resistance at 24.31, because that's the swing high, and we've not been able to close above the swing high just yet. So I would rather buy low, which is I'm waiting for price to come to a much more cleaner demand for me to take my buys. So we still have a bearish momentum here. Price is creating lower lows and lower highs, and I'm just simply waiting for the continuation to ride the sales down. Damn, what the hell? So that is what I'm waiting for here, guys.
Yeah, very nice. And I just want to tell you one aspect that I saw in my footprint. If you go a little bit back with the chart,
If I go
till
back
here, yeah, till here, for example, we were in the buyers territory, because till here we are plus 4,000 more buyers in the market, and from here we go down. We are more sellers in the market, and this push, though it looks bullish, we're more sellers in the market, and we see now the price are going down, and now we are more and more sellers in the market. We are 4,000 more sellers in the market. So your analysis is backed by this footprint charts that show us that are more sellers in the market.
Thank you. Okay.
I just want to say something too. You see this 15-minute candle right here? That's the London Open. It's a doji. And I think this next candle is going to be a doji too.
I think we will have the push up for the sales.
Yeah, we're gonna need volume for that. Hopefully we get the volume.
Volume. Yeah.
Somebody asked me the other day, why do I use 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour supply and demand zones? I just told him, do you see supply and demand on the 30-minute or the 1 hour or the 4 hour? He said, yes. I said, well, there you go. Case closed. Case closed.
Yeah, someone said that the big banks that have traders, they have traders that trade the 5 minutes, they have traders that trade the 1 hour, the 4 hours. So every demand and supply is important, because the 1 hour day trader or traders, they will put orders on the 1 hour demand, and the 5 minute traders, 1 minute trader, they have all the time frame traders.
And the only reason why I don't like to use the daily demand or supply is because about 95% of the time, if not even 100% of the time, there will be a demand or supply on the lower time frame there. We just need volume now. We get volume, then we should get a trade this session today. Can I do analysis on NAS? Man, I haven't looked at NAS in a freaking while. Jit, you know what you can do? I know you take trades on your own as well, so just send it to the Discord. That's what you guys need to start doing. I don't know, the way the Discord is, even the free Discord, I'll be like, man, do anyone here even trades? Like, what's going on here? No one posts analysis, no one posts their chat, nothing. I'm like, what's going on here?
I just want to see Anton's MetaTrader or whatever he's using. I want to see his trades. I want to see your 1 minute trades, your 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. I want to see them, man.
All of that.
I need that.
He will not show you his holy grail.
I need to see, even if you're still struggling, I need to see actual traders in the Discord. Post your chart, post your analysis.
Stop the cap. Post your charts.
No, GD wasn't talking about his P&L. He's just talking about his chart, that's all. We don't care about what you make, what you lose, and that's your business.
Yeah, I just want to see that guy, how many trades he takes.
I love the analysis. It's really good. In a minute, it's going to say 1 minute buy. Just wait.
Hey, you know strategy already? What?
Why is the 4-hour demand? Oh, you meant why is the 4-hour demand not valid on gold? Let's see. Let me see why I didn't use the 4-hour demand. Let's go there. Oh, yeah. It's so the 4-hour is demand. Yeah, I mean, what the hell am I talking about? Man, I said the 4-hour is demand. Yeah, the 4-hour demand is valid for sure. The 4-hour is valid. Okay, that's probably why G took it. But the fact is, even here on the lower time, on the 4-hour, you still have that bearish structure, right? But we are bullish overall, though. That is true. And here on the 4-hour, we have the bearish momentum still, because this low that we had even on the 4-hour was taken out as well. So we just waiting until this demand could give the pullback for the sell continuation, and that is what we are waiting for. The buys I am willing to take, it has to come down lower. That's the buys I'll be willing to take.
And just a question, King. If the price come down to the 4-hour demand, like only 3 bearish candles without, I think then we can think about the sell, about the buy.
I think the buys probably could come. If we have volume this session, the buys could come down in New York. So to answer your question, Tommy, the 4-hour demand is valid. but I'm going with the momentum that we have right now. Sometimes when you're trading and you're looking at the chart, the structure will be saying one thing and the momentum will be saying another thing. And then sometimes the structure and the momentum will be the same. We'll be bullish with bullish momentum. Sometimes we will be bullish with bearish momentum, or bearish and then bullish momentum. And sometimes the structure and momentum will be the same. And a lot of traders forget that there's actually a thing called momentum when it comes to trading, especially for day traders. They forget about what's called momentum and just solely focus on structure. Now, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that, but if you want to perfect your skills and actually become very, very good at day trading, you have to look at both of them and understand both of them. I don't even think some traders even know that we have a thing called momentum when it comes to trading.
Yeah, they think momentum is the moment when you press buy and sell. I want to congrats for your webinar. It was very good and very nice explanation to understand when to take contra trends, trade based on momentum. I saw last night the webinar.
Yeah, I was gonna say I'd really recommend anyone watching that webinar. That was a really good explanation of structure versus momentum. Really good.
And today the price action is like in the webinar when you broke the low and changed the momentum.
Doesn't it look similar? Yep.
Yeah, exactly. Like in the webinar, yeah. The moves are repeating in the market. If you have the eagle eyes and see the pattern, you will be a winner in this game.
Mm-hmm.
Just want to say good morning, guys.
Oh, good morning, Dorothy. How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm mending up well. I'm mending up really well. It was a shock last week. I was really bad. When you go to A&E if I ever go to A&E, it's because I have to go. You know, it was like life threatening. I couldn't even hold a sentence. I couldn't talk. It was bad. It was bad. But I'm on the mend now. I've got some medication for the rest of the week, and I was happy to come home because I don't like taking up a hospital bed for a start. And especially when you see there's a lot of really ill people around you who are worse off than you think anyway. But it was one night in hospital. First time in my life.
I'm glad you feel better.
Thank you. Mending up. You know what? The break was actually good in the end as well. In terms of the market, not just always rushing to the market to want to place a trade as well. So there's a little blessing there for me.
Cool.
Yeah, cool. Nice. I got to catch up on the webinar. It's on the Discord, isn't it? So
yeah, it's on there.
Yeah, I'll be catching up on that. Nice one. All right.
How are you feeling too, Will? You feeling better?
Feeling good. Back to normal.
Yeah.
Were you ill, Will?
Yeah.
Sorry to hear that.
Middle of last week. And then I passed it on to Abe through the webinar or through the Zoom.
Man, blue.
Yes, you did.
Wall is talking again. It must mean he's feeling better.
It's always a good sign, though, isn't it? When someone's talking, even myself. You know, if I'm quiet, there's something wrong.
Yep.
What in Wall's case is either ill or in drawdown.
Oh yeah. If I'm in drawdown, so got nothing to say now.
I'm actually paying attention to 2250. I wanted to get back up to this 15 minutes supply. Hopefully it doesn't just freaking decide to come down from here. It could decide to do that.
Does look like it's actually gonna drop on the 5 minute, but you know, it's not great.
Supply looks good on the 10 minute right here. On the 15, not so much. As you see right here, see that bullish candle. I do like how the bullish candle closed though.
Yeah, I think we will reject here, come at tap this order, and then we'll go down. For me, it looks like this because we left unfinished action on the top of the candle. You can.
I don't like this. I don't like this. I needed to pull back more, just because of the way this bearish candle, first bearish candle closed, and then this second candle closed doji. The doji candle alone, that's enough reason for it to at least pull back. But then again, the market could decide it's just going to continue falling from here.
Yeah, for me, I don't like when we have here big orders and we come back till here and go down, because this means we can pull back in large orders and then go down. I don't like when price go down without touching the big orders.
Yeah,
it's like they want to impulse sellers.
Yeah, they want to trap you.
Yeah.
And if it falls from here, well, it falls, it is what it is. It's gonna suck, but hey, I'd rather wait for a setup that I know works most of the time.
High quality, high probability setups.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, because some losers in the past that we took was like this zone is not really a supply or demand in the middle. Didn't have something strong, and
yeah, if you mention it like that, yeah, it's kind of like this, where it's like, you know, you take it, maybe goes a couple pips in your favor, and then sometimes it reverses, sometimes keeps going.
yeah, we'll activate you in straight drawdown.
I hate those trades.
Looks good on the 5, looks good on the 10, not just on the 15.
It would have looked better if it actually, on the 5, it actually closed below again, right?
On the 5?
Yeah, because it kind of did this. If this one closed below again, then it would look like just perfect, because, you know, confirming lower lows.
But if you're looking at the 10 and you had this week here, this bearish candle closed below. So taking it would have been a 10 minutes upward setup.
Yeah. You finally converted. You finally added the 10.
I mean, I don't like the volume in this candle. It's 700 contracts. It's not like a breaking volume candle.
Now, Lucian, how much volume is in the opening London candle?
0.
No, it's like yeah. 1.5k orders in the opening candles.
Oh man, wow.
But it's not much.
I thought you were gonna say 0.
No. It has 1,500 orders inside. More buyers inside the opening candles.
That's sad. That 1,500 buyers came, or, you know, people bought and sold, and it came out like a big fat doji.
Do we have the same amount of buyers and sellers with this London Open candle?
More buyers.
More buyers?
Yeah.
That's why it closed doji then. Look at the bottom wick, it's actually longer than the top wick.
Yeah.
The time when the sellers was in control was only 20 more sellers in the candle, and then the buyers took control. And now it's start to adding some volume in the candle in the closing. I don't like entering on the closing candle. The last minute of the candle, I think, is the worst time to enter a trade.
YouTube, I just want to say something real quick. If gold falls from here, do not feel bad. Don't look at it as, oh, we missed a trade. Don't look at it like that. Because if you look at it like that, then man, it's gonna take you a long time for you to freaking be patient and master discipline when it comes to trading. The only reason why we are not going to take this, like I said earlier, is the way this bearish candle close. Yeah, I understand this thing could fall from here. Yeah, I get that, but this is not my setup. Therefore, I am not going to take it. Now, if we eventually close below here, then I will start looking for the sales, because now we actually have a nice closure below the low that we created. Okay, if this bearish candle had actually closed below this low, even if it's at least 3, 4, or 5 pips, then I would have used this supply. So we just gotta be patient and take quality setups.
Yeah, this is the right mindset. Don't feel FOMO. If your trade goes down, anticipated your next move, anticipated your next trade. How King said, we wait the closure and we take this. We will have everyday moves in market. Don't feel FOMO. And don't feel bad because you don't take the trade.
Well, let's see if it's going to close below. And if it keeps falling, hey, we have the zones we're looking at for buys, and we'll take the buys. There is a chance the buys we are going to take is possibly going to be a pullback trade, or it's going to be the bullish continuation trade because the higher time frame is still bullish.
If you took this trade, looks more like a breakout trade than a supply and demand trade.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. That dude got clapped. Yeah, that's unfortunate.
Oh, gee, because he said he was taking buys. Did it close below?
Yeah.
Okay, it closed.
The one on the
below.
left, did it close? Yeah, okay.
It closed.
So
below.
that would become supply now, would it?
Yeah, even though it's one candle, it is.
Yeah.
As long as it closes below, we're good.
Yeah.
I want you to go back up to this one at least, the 15 or the 30 minute. The deeper they pull back, the better.
yeah,
Yeah, I would love that as well. But remember, I can't remember, it did this exact move. Oh, when was it? It did it last week. It just kept dropping during London, and we just missed it because it wasn't a London Open. Do you remember?
Oh, yes, yes.
Yeah, it was last week. We literally missed it by a minute. And it just dropped all the way during London. Trying to think when it was.
Gold in supply mode, sell the highs. Did I take the sell on gold? No, we've not taken anything yet.
yeah. Maybe if we tap this order here, just a little more up for the confirmation.
Yeah, we'll see how we react to this one here, but I wanted to react to this 15 or this 30 minute. That's the one I would like to see. Any of those two.
Higher would be lovely.
If you go up, we will go to retest this and we have an unfinished action here. But you see, the last minute of the candle, they made the push to trap pending orders, and now they are in drawdown.
Pain, absolute pain.
Wow, what a nice closure. Sell, and then now I'm crying.
Yeah, that's the market for you. You take the breakout trade and instant drawdown.
Oh, man.
The sad part is those people, they usually get stopped out only to see it later in the day, go their way and be like, God damn it, if I just held it.
Yeah,
Oh, bro.
because they put stop loss here, above a candle. Not the zone, not the extra 5 pips for the spread, no. Here. We have stop loss because they want small stop loss and win big, but it don't work like this. Only on Instagram works like this.
You had Friday sell 180 pips. Good for you, Michael. You're welcome, William. Good in supply mode, sell the highs. I don't know why some traders just and I'm talking about supply and demand traders now, they just focus on one time frame, and it's always the time frame they trade on. I don't know why. Obviously it works for them, but if they can just freaking combine all the time frames, man, their win rate will skyrocket.
Yep.
Because if you do top-down analysis using support and resistance, which is marking up your daily time frame, then you drop down to the 4, to the 1, 30 minute, and then you finish everything up on the time frame you trade in. Why not do the same thing with supply and demand?
And this is the difference between support and demand. The demand creates the support. It's not the support that creates the demand. If you have a demand, this demand creates this support, for example.
Mm-hmm.
And this is why the demand and supply is important, and it's not support and resistance.
Where the guys annotating? Oh, okay. I need to. Oh man, I can't do that today. I need to share it for you guys to see it. I'll do it for tomorrow. Hey J Smith, how you been? Oh, I know. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers here. Zoom, YouTube.
King, one question. If we'll only allowed to trade one time frame for supply and demand, what will be your preferred time frame to trade supply and demand? If it will be to choose just one time frame.
It's still gonna be 15.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know it was yesterday, but we wasn't here yesterday. You in gold sales from 23.49. Those of you that don't know Jay Smith is an OG. He used to be in the mentorship. That was way when I was trading the 5. 23.49, 23.49.24. Let's see, 23.49. Oh, you took it at this candle.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah,
Oh.
breakout. That's not too far away.
You should have waited, J. Smith. Yeah, hopefully it works out for you. I don't want to be selfish because I'm waiting for it to. I'm waiting for it to pull back. So let me keep quiet. Anyways, in my opinion, you took it too early.
Not unless he already secured some profit.
You said you took it at 23.49.24. What is that at? 23.49.24. Oh. So you took it somewhere around here. Oh, shit, you got at least 20. I hope you secured already. You got at least 20. And if you did, you probably stopped out already. Good. 20 pips close. Nice. The max is 15 pips. Yeah, that's what ours used to be for London session as well. But now, gold is just super volatile right now. So we increased it to 20 during London session. So London session, we need at least 20 before we close. Or take partials or move to BE. Thirty minutes. 30 minutes is not even gonna close below. It's not looking like it. Man, if this thing keeps dropping all the way down, leaving gaps on the 1 hour time frame, sheesh, the buys will be interesting down in New York. No NY session, King? Nah. NY session is privately on Zoom. Good morning, Vivian. DXY holding 105. If it doesn't break 2346, it's likely to go up. I don't look at DXY. I can't trade it. I just focus on gold.
We almost went one session without DXY. Almost.
Would I not take this with a 75-minute close? If we close rejecting and we start breaking the lows, I will take it. But I'll prefer the 15-minute supply above this zone or the 30 minutes above. But we can reject here. We can still come down from here as well. So we'll be ready. We can predict all we want. We can anticipate a move or a setup all we want. At the end of the day, the market has the final say. We just got to be ready. We just got to be prepared. That's why trading is a game of probabilities. The only good thing about it is that it's a skill set. You can actually learn how to do it. It's not like gambling. It's not like going to the casino. Gambling or going to the casino is nothing but luck. There's no luck in this game over here. You either know what you're doing in this industry or you don't. You can't gamble over here. You gamble, you have yourself to blame. Las Vegas to visit. Man, I used to live in Vegas. Been to the casino multiple times. It's a freaking waste of money. Last time I went to the casino, I spent $50 and I freaking got, I think it was like $1,200, and then I gave $1,000 back. Like when it came down to the last 200, I'm like, man, fuck you guys. I'm taking these 200. I'm out. I'm out.
That's still a good win. That's still a good win.
Man, it would have been better to freaking close at 1,200 and instead of freaking closing at 200.
I remember maybe like a year or two after high school, I went to casino after like learning how to do some card counting and stuff like that. And I tried blackjack and I won like about 1,200 or something like that. And then I went again with my friend because I'm like, dude, I'm so fucking good. I got this shit down. And I lost like almost all of it back. And I was like, okay, never mind, forget it.
It's crazy. You're just gonna keep tempted. You're just gonna keep getting tempted to keep going, to keep going, to keep going. And pretty much trading is kind of like that too. When you're making money from the market, you just want to keep going and keep going. Before you know it, slowly you're gonna start giving it back. You gotta know when to say, okay, I'm done. You gotta know when to stop.
Yeah, the casino, they're so smart. That's why they like make their place like all dark and like a maze, keep you there. The longer you're there, the more chance of you losing, you know?
And they make you
Free drinks at the table.
Man, they make you so comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can drink your alcohol right there. You can smoke right there. So comfortable.
Yeah, they know what they're doing.
Yep, they want your money.
Where was your stop loss?
No. It's probably you, Gideon. The stream is now lagging. Now, is the stream lagging, guys?
Not for me.
It's you, Gideon. Yeah, all right. Keep going, goat. Keep going. Keep going. If this 1 hour flips and it start breaking this candle, man, we're coming down. We should. You figured it out, Gideon? It's going up a little bit more. That's even better. But if it breaks these lows, start breaking these lows, I'm gonna check this out. No, you're good, Gideon. Oh, Nicholas, is Chris still trading with you guys? Oh, he stopped. Can I explain why I chose this plain candle? Because the bearish candle engulfed the previous low. That's why. It's a 15-minute. 30-minute, definitely no supply there. 1 hour, no supply there. Just on the 15. Bullish momentum coming in. In my opinion, it's just a pullback for the sell continuation. Just a pullback for the sell continuation. And if anyone wants to buy from here, you're welcome to do whatever you want. You don't have to wait for me.
Yeah, you first. You go first.
If you see buys from here, then hey, take it.
The way I see it, it's got to get back to the 30-minute demand at some point. It moved away so quick. It's got to retest it. I would like a deeper pullback, but if it chooses to come back now, then so be it.
Yep, so be it.
Take what the market give.
Yes, Edwin, it is going to be the lows. Damn, Edwin, you still want that tight stop loss, huh?
They'll come back one day. They'll come back. I think it was March, and we had like really nice start. I think 50 pips was big in March. Really good stop losses.
Yeah.
Oh, March was beautiful. What a great month.
March, what was that win rate for March? Yeah. Yeah, March is our best month so far. March was 89%.
Yeah, we killed it in March.
We took less trades though. We only took 27 trades compared to April. April we took 44.
What?
Wow.
Yeah, there was trade like almost every session last month, especially NY.
Yeah, NY was fire. US30.
Yeah, that's why April was 77% win rate. It was kind of still a good month. May, we've only taken 7 this month, plus I was away as well.
We were doing some fire analysis in the Discord during those couple of days. That was good.
Yeah, I saw that. Made me happy.
Everyone getting involved. It was it was good. It was nice.
If you're surprised by March, wow, what about January? Was even less. January was only 20 trades.
Oh no, I was surprised at the amount of trades we took last month compared to March. I was like, wow, that was such a big difference. That's weird.
Yeah.
Oh man, and
Because
then
we're pretty consistent.
You said what?
Go ahead.
No, you said something.
Oh, I just said that it was surprising because we're normally very consistent with the amount of trades we take. We never go over, and we usually get a trade every day,
Yeah, we didn't go over. The reason why is that, during New York, if we lose a trade, then we take one more. So that was what happened. So in April, some days we took 2 trades during New York.
Oh, okay.
And then there was that bizarre time between January and March where I just blacked out and nothing happened.
How I expect the trade for today. As of right now, I am looking for sales. So we are going to have entry around here. Stop loss will be, just go for 60 pips. If it comes down there, leave break-even point at 25. Just add an extra 5 pips. And you have your 1-to-1 right here. So if 60 pips stop loss is too big for you, manage your risk. Okay. Thank you, J. Smith. Yeah, guys, get me 200 likes. Let's get 100 likes, guys. See something here. Move this up a little bit.
I've been to myself, just me
That's good enough.
My bros know the deal, think I play too much. Never miss a miss, yeah, I've been scraping up. Life been moving faster, you should pray for us. Just got a text, so I hit. I don't need designer fits, but I like how designer fit. LV with the Prada mix. This is not a mannequin. You see what I'm standing in. Don't care who I'm standing with. Cause I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. You can't get in my way. I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. Yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I
Just looking for 20 pips from this if we take this. We got 60 likes right now. Can we get at least 40 more likes, guys? 40 more likes, guys. Just like the stream, it costs nothing. $15 pips to 20 pips from here will be good. If it breaks this low, if it breaks this low, gold should continue at least to fill this gap. You don't know why you have a feeling why it's not coming down from here. It might not. We'll see. 170 watching now, 27 likes. How many likes we got now? We had 60 likes. I just said we had 60 likes. Oh, we need 30 more, guys. So we got 70 likes right now. 30 more. If this trade gets to entry, we win in this. And then Lucian can start singing.
Not before we're in it, though, Lucian. Hear that beautiful song?
Ooh, are you kidding me?
Damn.
Very close.
Wow.
That was interesting.
Very interesting.
Good connect.
Wow, so the way the candle just came down. And now it's pulling back.
Man,
Candle flips, that would be crazy.
I really hope no one had pending orders.
That'll be insane.
Yeah. RIP pending. Man. Just shows how awesome those entries are.
Does, doesn't it?
On the dot.
I'm
On the dot.
I'm sure some people have pending orders. That's why I don't use pending orders.
That's crazy.
Now are starting to come in the sellers order in this candle. Big sellers are start to adding orders.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm indeed. Ooh.
Yeah. I was asleep 2 pips. Price come so
Oh, you
quick
was?
down.
If you tap the break-even point here on TradingView, that should give you 20 pips.
Yeah. But the sellers are here. I like those.
Oh, let's go.
Man, I got flipped.
Yeah.
Oh,
Come on, sleep.
Oh,
Let's
let's
go.
go. I got it.
And
I'm out.
close.
I'm out.
25.
Let's
I
go.
did-
Oh, beautiful.
Let's fucking go. Beautiful.
And I didn't have time to sing my song. Oh my
Beautiful.
god.
Fastest trade ever. Spam
I'm still
W's.
furious.
Spam
I'm still
W's.
furious.
Spam W's in the chat. Let's go. And give me that 100 likes now. Let's fucking go. If you're still in, move your stops to BE. See if this thing is gonna get to 1-1. Wow.
25 pips.
That's what I got to 25.
Man, I
Man.
saw some big players that put the orders there, 200 contracts to 0. But don't be greedy. Don't be greedy because that means nothing. They still can do the price up.
Let's see. I hope YouTube gave me 100 likes now. Wow. Wow. Not even 100. Only 82. Interesting. Come on, guys. Give me 18 more likes. What's going on here? You know what? I'm going to go on strike on YouTube.
No.
We need to test the Asian people to see if they give the 100 likes.
I'm gonna go on 1 week strike on YouTube.
Come on, YouTube.
Nice trade, man.
Man, this is wow. I wasn't expecting it to be this quick. That's crazy.
For once, then. I'm still in on mine,
So,
babe.
Did you at least take partial stops to BE?
I might move it now. It's a brand new account, so I've got some. You know what I mean? I didn't do too many lots. I'm trying to sort of experiment in my lot size to see which is ideal as well. But yeah, it's okay. It's all good. Yeah, I am breaking them. Yeah.
Well, I mean,
I got splits as well.
at least take some money off the table.
Yeah. Definitely. That's done already.
And now I saw the buyer stepping in, so this is why 20
I got-
pips, 25. Don't be greedy.
I got badly slipped there. That sucked.
Wait, you didn't get 20 either?
I got like 15 out of it.
What?
I got 15. Yeah.
I got 25. I was slip 2 pips, but I think I was slip on the TP also.
Right, it's all good. I'll take 50. I'll take so a WW. But yeah, I couldn't believe it.
Yeah,
It's
because it
not-
was the push. Yeah.
Oh,
The
okay.
push on the entry. It was the slip.
Okay, that makes sense. It's all good. I made good money. It's all good.
And on the sales, you are slip also on when you close the trades because it's 2 pips on the entry, 2 pips on the exit, and there is the 4 pips. Or if you slip 3, it's 6 in total.
Some people on YouTube are already saying bye-bye.
That's man.
Love you
Oh,
leaving.
It doesn't happen.
Where's the
just-
loyalty?
It doesn't happen just on my stream though. It happens on everyone. stream. Once you win, say they're gone.
Gone.
They go
Bye.
into another stream, take another
Yeah.
trade and lose it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nicholas.
Man, we've been there, Lucian.
Oh yeah, of course.
Oh, yeah.
I was professional
I was semi-pro.
on YouTube.
You got 29, Gideon. Nice.
Well done, guys. Well done.
I forgot to add 15 sub right here.
Yeah, that's true. Yeet. At least on your way out, leave a like.
I know, right? At least leave it like.
People are terrible, aren't they? Gosh. No thanks.
This was the stop loss from the 4-hour demand buyers. This push. I'm sorry for them, but I'm happy for us.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. If it just like blew everyone's stop loss, that's why it bolted down like that.
Yeah, and a lot of zero orders. Like, yeah. And I have a tool in the footprint that shows the imbalances between buyers and sellers, but like 8 times when the buyers or sellers are 8 times stronger than each other. And this in this candle I saw here 4 imbalances, one below on another, when the sellers were 8 times stronger than the buyers. Yeah, nice. All the confluences was there, and for that, was a winning trade, winning trade, winning trade. Was a winning trade for us today. Yeah, I go to the voice of England.
Lucian.
You have a third entry, Ekene? Good love to hunt those stop losses. Yeah, not all the time, but yeah, she does sometimes.
I think it's good for that cap.
Good morning, Simp Way. I hope I pronounce your name right.
Come on, Anton, give us a W. I'm going to get a W out of you. Come on.
I think you already did.
I hope so. Just be happy.
Oh,
come on, Anton.
Faye, how are you doing? Thank you, Papa family. Oh, finally 100 likes.
Beautiful. Well deserved.
Man, this was a crazy candle though. Crazy candle. Very unexpected.
I mean, it already spiked down once and almost tried to flip, then did it again.
Yeah. It should continue. Like I said, it should come down and fill this gap. It should come down and fill this gap right here. We might get a reaction at this 30-minute demand. You go $480. Nice. You're done for the day. All right. We still got one more session for us today, which is New York.
Oh, great session, King. And what a good demonstration of the webinar from yesterday.
Yeah, the setup is not the same, but the momentum is similar to the webinar.
Yeah, really good. Oh, Monday morning, baby. Oh.
Yeah, it always feels good to win your first trade on a Monday.
Beautiful.
Yeah, that's true.
That is, yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Fantastic part of the week, eh?
It's weird. I feel like, I mean, at least for me, it helps me.
Ooh.
It helps me psychologically.
Oh,
Sorry.
someone's is that you?
That's me. That's me. That's telling me money is coming in. I had another trade in this one. Yeah. Rolling.
Back to the hospital.
No.
No.
No way.
We don't want that.
No, definitely not.
You're still in, Anna. No, Nicholas. It went back to the original price, which is 150. Anton said Maniac Monday. How many pips has it dropped now? At least 40? Yeah.
Money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no floor. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam. Yeah. It's just me and the fam. See my little Tay, that's my hype girl, that's my mascot. Little ones go for hours and some.
Did you trade Asian session yesterday? Well, no.
If I got it, they got it. Family strong, they solid. For them empty my pockets. If I got it, we got it. Foundation been solid. Taking off like a rocket. Yeah, I count money when I'm bored. Watch the
SL at 2344. So your SL is at entry, or you moved it to profit? Oh, you took sell during Asian session fee? Nice.
Nice. How many cells? 6, 7?
No, fee probably took like 10.
Come on, Anton. Give us a W, man. Come on.
You should make some
I
of
know you want-
that money back. Man, no, Nicholas, you make way more than that money back messing with me. I'm not trying to brag. I'm just saying the truth.
Nicholas, from personal experience, there's no contest. I mean, yeah, I can't even describe the value you get.
Well, you call it buy during Asian session with gold or GJ? I'm trying to see the buy you took. Gold. So this buy is right here. Yeah, I wouldn't have taken the buys. This rejection at the 4 hour, I would have been anticipating the sales from there. This rejection here at the 4 hour. But one thing that I would definitely be waiting for was, of course, going to be the break of this low. So let me see something on the 1 hour first. Yeah. So I've been expecting it to pull back to this 1 hour supply to take the sales. And since it didn't give the setup, then I would have been waiting for the break of 23.56 to take the sell. Now this sell here, that's what I would have taken. This one, I would have taken this. Welcome, Shalindra. Yeah, 4 hours about to close in 15 minutes.
Thank you, Antoine. That's it. Thank you so much.
First time you're getting profit like this, man. If you're still in this, at least I hope majority of your position is out, and you have stops at BE. But at this point, what I would do is at least move stops into profit just a little bit, maybe like somewhere around here below entry, just a little bit. Because I don't like to give. When I used to take partials and move stops to BE, like I would like move it. In this case, my stop loss will be below entry. I don't like to give my broker nothing. I don't like to give them nothing, because when you move stops to BE, even though if it stops you out, the loss won't be that much, but I still don't like to give them anything. You out as well, Shalindra? Nice. You're welcome, Neville. Oh, I haven't seen you in a while, Neville. How you been? I remember you. You from South Africa, Cape Town. Welcome. Thanks for hopping on. Oh damn! I didn't write this. The trade taken. What do I recommend trading with a prop or personal capital? I'm gonna say your own personal capital, but if you don't really have the funds, then you can start with a prop firm. And then with the prop firm, once you start getting your payouts, don't just go ahead and be spending all that money. Make sure you put in some money away so that you'll be able to save towards getting your own capital. I would say save at least 10 grand. 10 grand, then you can start your own capital. At least 10 grand. Yeah, Hussein, I agree with you. The only thing is that I don't preach demo. for me, whatever strategy you want to learn, you have to learn it on a live account. So while you're still learning, just put like 10, 20, $30 into a trading account and then practice that strategy with that, because you don't want to practice on a demo account, because with the demo account you're not really learning anything. The only thing you're learning is the strategy. You're not learning psychology, and you need to make sure you're actually practicing both, so that by the time you start with a huge capital, you're not going to have any issues. You would have mastered that strategy, you would have mastered psychology as well, and then you'll be on your way. But if you're only practicing on demo, there's no psychology behind your demo trades. It's just a waste of time, in my opinion. Learn with a live account. Even if it's freaking $10, and then you'll be using 0.10 lot size. But I would recommend at least $50 at least. I mean, everyone can afford to lose $50. I don't know, except if we're from a third world country, because $50 is a lot. Is a lot in some countries. Did I change my strategy? No, I did not. You agree with my response, but you still feel like demo needs to take priority first? Well, everyone is entitled to their own opinion. But for me, based on my experience, I'm not going to tell anyone to practice on a demo. Nah. Like I said, all you're doing is learning the strategy. That's why when you practice on a demo, by the time you go on live and you're taking the same trades, and then when you start losing, you'll be like, man, but I was winning this trade on the demo account. Now you go back and look at what you did in the demo account and compare it to what you did in the live account. You find out that majority of the time, the reason why you lost was because of your psychology. Is maybe you FOMO'd, or maybe you were impatient, or maybe you freaking closed out early, or maybe you were moving your stop losses. Some stuff that has to do with your psychology. That's why you lost that trade. That is why I preach, start with a live account, even if it's small, even if you're still learning. The moment you make the decision that, okay, I want to practice this strategy, it is time for you to freaking go live. But make sure you deposit the lowest amount that you can afford and practice with that. You're learning psychology and you're learning that strategy at the same time. You need to work on both, not just the strategy. That's why a lot of people are still struggling today, because in the beginning you were just focusing on the strategy, and it takes more than just a strategy to be successful in this game, not just the strategy. Trading is like 95% mental. 95% mental. So why do you want to freaking focus on the strategy alone when the strategy is only about 5%? Some people say it's 90-10. For me, trading is 95% mental. The other 5% is actually you making money, learning the strategy and stuff.
Yeah, I just want to say that what I do, what I have I have the money for buying a challenge account, like $200, but I didn't buy the challenge. I put the money in a real account and trade with Abe, and now the account is $600, and now I can buy the challenge from profits and still have the money, and I build the confidence on the trading strategy. If you have $100, $200, trade it with Abe, make profits, and then buy the challenge from profits, and you have the experience also in trading live.
What is my entry point? We took the trade when we started breaking the previous low. Can you enter this trade? No, you're too late. You are too late. Man, this thing flipped. A lot of traders lost right here because of this 4-hour demand that's right here. Do I believe that gold will hit 2,500? I mean, eventually we will. You still waiting for it to hit your BE? Oh, okay.
Anna's here. Hi, Anna.
Am I from the States? No, but I live in the States.
Give it here.
You're in trouble. You're in trouble, Clyde.
She knows. I got no secrets.
She knows your cyber girlfriends.
I got no secrets. I know. I'm Anna's side bit. Wolves main. I'm Anna's side piece.
The 150 per month on link that keeps getting posted will get you in the NY session every day as well. Yes, it will. Plus, you get webinar every weekend. It's a mentorship program. It's not just trading together. Trading together is like adding how do I say it? Icing on the cake. It's a way to learn faster.
Yeah, like in real life, you made the school and then you need the practice. So we have the webinar and we have the practice live. Okay, man. Tim, I need to go. thank you for the win, and see you guys in New York.
All right.
Thanks, Lucian.
See you later.
Bye.
Thanks, Lucian.
Ciao.
Bye, Lucian. I was just going to say, for anyone that, or anyone thinking 150 amount, whatever, just for me, it's an absolute no-brainer. Like, I've paid for the full year in one trade. So, just put it. Don't worry too much about the initial outlay. It's an investment in your own development, both in the industry and also personally. So, for me, it's just a no-brainer. The value for money is extraordinary. Compared to what you get out of it.
No cap.
No cap. No cap.
Also, you get to hang out with us, be part of the team. That's the best part.
And don't let that put you off.
Hey,
Damn.
I must warn you though, and this what I'm about to say is actually one of the benefits of being in a mentorship program. So if you're doing what you shouldn't be doing and we know about it, we're going to call you out before we advise you. And then after we advise you and you keep doing the same thing over and over again, we're going to keep calling you out on it, because what that's going to do is it's actually going to help you to stop doing it. It's going to sound as if we're making fun of you. We're not. We just trying to help you.
And it's hard to, stick to rules when you're just trading alone by yourself.
Facts.
I've got to jump off, guys, but I'll see you in New York. Look forward to it.
All right, bye.
Take care, guys.
Bye. See you. Bye. See you later.
I knew Faye was gonna say something. Well, all right, YouTube. All my links is down below. Want to learn how I trade NY session with us, attend the weekly webinars, pretty much learn how I trade and make money with us while you're learning. All my links is down below in the description. All right, guys. Aside from that, God bless you all. Thank you guys for hopping on. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Peace. I'm out of here. All right, YouTube. So I'll see you guys in a few hours for NY session.
Thanks, Abe. Good trade, man.
Thank you, guys. See you guys later.
Thank you, Abe. See you later.
All right.